So you want to make $1,000 with pressure washing and have zero experience. It sounds crazy, right? Well, stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, scale, and cash in on this high-demand business, even if you never touched a pressure washer before. So let's be honest, most people don't realize how much money is hiding in dirty driveways, moldy fences, and grime-covered sidewalks. But the truth is, businesses and homeowners are willing to pay big to keep these properties looking fresh and clean. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree, a huge budget, or prior experience to make this work. You only need the right strategy, tools, and approach to finding customers. And don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. So grab your notebook because we're going straight into the exact game plan for pressure washing, which can take you from $0 to $1,000. So first things first, let's talk about startup cost. You're probably thinking, do I need to spend thousands on equipment? No, you can start learning and I'll give you the pointers on how to do it. The first thing you need is a solid pressure washer. Now you have two options. You can buy one or rent one. If you're on a tight budget, renting is the way to go. A decent pressure washer rental will cost you around $50 to $100 per day, and you can easily make that back in a single job. But if you want to invest a good beginner pressure washer, it costs around $300 or $500. Next up, you'll need a surface cleaner attachment. And you ask why? Well, because cleaning driveways and sidewalks with just a pressure washer wand will take forever. A surface cleaner speeds things up and gives you professional looking results. This will run you about $200. Now let's talk about chemicals. Water pressure alone does a decent job for most jobs, but you'll need the right cleaning solutions for things like mold, mildew, and oil stains. The good news, a basic house and driveway cleaner are cheap, and they run about $30 for supplies that will last multiple jobs by diluting properly. Finally, hoses and nozzles. A suitable 100-foot hose will prevent you from dragging the machine everywhere, which can be a pain. And then there's interchangeable nozzles, let you adjust the pressure depending on the job. So for your convenience, I left the links for the best pressure washer, chemicals, surface cleaners, hoses, and nozzles in the description below. These are affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating content. So thank you for your support ahead of time. How do you actually start getting paid? Well, the key here is getting your first few customers fast. And no, you don't need a fancy website or $1,000 in ads. The simple strategy is start with what I call a free job hack offer to clean a friend or family member's driveway for free. But here's the catch. You need to take the before and after photos, videos of the results. These will be your marketing goldmine. Post them on local Facebook groups, Nextdoor, and even Craigslist. This builds instant credibility and gets people interested. Next, leverage the 5-house rule. After every job, go to 5 nearest houses, introduce yourself, and offer them a special discount if they book you the same day. And you may ask why. People are more likely to hire you when they see the results on their neighbor's property. But what if you don't want to knock on doors? Not a problem. Run a simple Facebook ad with before and after pictures and videos. Title it something like Affordable Driveway House Washing Instant Results. Offer a limited time discount for first-time customers. This little trick can get you booked fast. Now let's talk about pricing. How do you actually make $1,000 a day? Well, it's simple. You charge based on square footage or by the job. So let me give you an example. Driveways are about $150 to $300. House washes $250 to $500. Decks and patios $150 to $400. Roof cleaning $400 to $800. So with just 3 or 4 jobs a day, you're hitting $1,000 mark. And once you build that credibility, and you will, you can start charging premium prices. But what about the actual cleaning process? Do you need to be an expert? Not at all. For driveways, spray a pre-treatment cleaner. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dwell. Let it do its job. And then use your surface cleaner, rinse it down, and boom, you are done. Now, for house cleaning, house washing, to prevent damage, utilize a soft wash system. Apply a cleaning solution, let it work its magic, and then rinse with low pressure. And it's that easy. Now, let's talk about scaling. Once you've got steady work, it's time to go bigger. So step number 1, get repeat customers. Offer a discount for quarterly cleanings. Businesses and property managers love this. Step 2, raise your prices. Once you have great reviews and credibility, start charging more. People pay for quality. Step 3, hire a helper. When fully booked, bring an assistant to double your output. And before you know it, you're running a full-fledged business making thousands per week. So let's recap. You don't need experience. You can start with minimum investment. Customers are everywhere, and making $1,000 a day is 100% possible. The only thing stopping you is taking action. So what are you waiting for? Grab a pressure washer, follow these steps, and start making serious cash. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment below. If you're ready to start your pressure washing journey, let us know. Keep it clean and have a blessed day.